NEC meeting today, 18th of November 2025. NEC received the report of the acting national chairman, Prof.Mgbeke, detailing breach of articles 58(1) and 59(1), including anti-party activity, disobedience to court orders, and court conduct bringing the party into disrepute. NEC approved the expulsion of the following: 1. Adolfo Swabara. 2. Olabode George. 3. Ben Obi. 4. Kabiru Tamil Suraki, SAN. 5. Bala Mohammed. 6. Oluseyi Makinde. 7. Dauda Lawal. 8. Tafik Aragbaja. 9. Setoji Koshode. 10. Okechukwu Ebechina Daniel. 11. Woyikoro Daniel. 12. Mohammed Kadede Suleiman. 13. Emmanuel Ogidi. 14. Suleiman Adamu Boga. 15. Omar Sadi. 16. Odom Emmanuel. 17. Emmanuel Enedon. These people have been expelled from our party based on anti-party activities, disobedience of court judgments and order, and causing disaffection in the party. They also approved the ratification of South Congresses held in Calabar, and then also ratified the Cabinet Committee of Bayelsa. Also ratified the position of Honorable Chidebere Egu as the acting national vice chairman of Southeast. And then NEC also talked about the dissolution of the following states executives: Bauchi, Ebonyi, Oyo, that's all. Those states, Zamfara states, that's all, and Ekiti states. NEC approved the conduct of the outstanding congresses in Enugu, Ebonyi, Anambra, Delta, Bayelsa, and Taraba, and mandated full compliance with INEC guidelines, the Electoral Act, and the PDP Constitution. The NEC also ratified the position of Honorable Abdulrahman Mohammed as the acting national chairman of the party. The NEC acknowledges the anxieties among members, but assures the party faithful that these decisions are aimed at stabilizing and strengthening the PDP. The NEC affirms the era of indiscipline is over. The PDP will not bow to lawlessness or personal ambition. With unity, discipline, and renewed purpose, the PDP will rebuild stronger and restore public confidence ahead of the next electoral cycle. This is signed.
No, the deputies.
The NEC also ratified that the deputies of the parties should assume the active position as substantive members of the National Union Committee. National Executive Committee meeting, NEC.
Thank you.
Political Party, November 18, 2025, Abuja.
PDP!
Power to the people!
PDP!
Power to the people!
Power to the people!